on my way up to Purdown. Bonfire night. Right, what's the theme tune then going to be? What should I put on? Oh, I've been so I have been absolutely bumming recently, as in like the last couple of days. Is the intro to Attacked by Snakes, and also that riff near the start of Fight Song, both by the Aquabats on The Fear of the Aquabats. I was going to do a rendition, but there's two people walking the same way as me. Fucking wankers. Gotwood, second St Werburgh's tunnel. It's literally pitch black. Spooky. Oh, here we go, I can see again. Look, there's my face. God blimey. I mean, it's just bare fireworks kicking off. Like Fireworks City out here or something. Some people might think it's firework night. Boo, Turbo, get off the stage. I don't think I've ever walked past so many people at St Werburgh's farm. It's just like every 3 seconds, it's just like another 3 bellends coming towards me with their torches on, and then like walk past them and it's like 2 seconds later, like 2 dickheads with torches on, and then it's like just like round the corner, it's like some chumps fanning about in their car with their headlights on, like, oh, fuck off man, I can't see anything. Oh yeah, I was going to give you a quick rendition of 1 or 2 of those Aquabats tunes, wouldn't I? Let's pull one of them up. And so on and so forth. Banger, banger. Hooray, Miller Road! Woo! We're at the fields where we saw that mega UFO alien spaceship that turned out to be that backstabbing cunt Elon Musk. God, I fucking hate him so much. Lots of leaves on the ground. I could take it or leave it. Oh, there's people sat on the bench. There's fireworks in the field behind there. Oh, exciting. Second Purdown field. It's done. Just going through the woods now. Spooky. Oh, I'm fucking shite. I'm sweating my fucking skin off here. Should have just worn like 2 t-shirts out, man. This is fucked. Here we go. Third Purdown field. The one, the spot. The spot with the gang. It's just over there, the next one. Mate, there's fireworks in our field. But it's not at our spot. Ooh, wonder what's happening. Yeah, I dropped the wood bag and they started all fucking spilling out everywhere. Oh my god, there's people. I'm about to collapse. Here we go, this is our field. The spot. But there's bare people.
It's been kicking off just that's the man.
Ooh ah! Pathetic. Oh, UFO.
Yeah, I wanted to buy
Fucking
Elon.
Yes.
Gherkins, mate. Sick
I
fuck.
respect
Plebs, woo.
Oh shit! They fucked it up. You want to put some of our cheese and onion crisps on the grill? Walk away, please. There we go. Spending too much time looking at the fire. Not enough out there work. Hey.
You did it yourself?
In the
Oh.
oven? Oh, can you bring
Please do it. What do you want to do?
Oh, next UFO.
Nice. Is it going to be good?
Wow, that was a great one! Yeah!
This is serious.
So there we go. 10 past midnight. Done. Bonfire night. This guy folks. Good. Drank. Got pissed. So thumbs up for me. I made some mulled apple juice and put some amaretto in it. So I drank some of that. And I'm walking over and there's still people popping off. I had a great time hanging out with the Rago gang. Tony Loco and General Rago himself. And some other people that I didn't know. Going into the spooky tunnel again. Fuck's sake, I was going to shout, I'm a legend. And then I thought I saw someone coming. And obviously there just wasn't anyone coming, it was just just a shadow. I am not a legend. There's about 100 fucking people at the bottom of the mound. On Meaning Road. Fuck going up there, man. Per down review. Good decision. Kicking off at Chicken Shop. I'm knackered. Good night. Review. Good night.